In this video, I am going to show you how to add desktop experience in Windows Server 2012. So first of all, click on Add Role and Feature in Server Manager. And on this, before you begin page, click on Next. Installation type, select role-based or feature-based installation. Select the server on which you want to install this feature. In the features page, go to user interfaces and infrastructure and click on desktop experience. So click on add feature. So here is the description of desktop experience. Include feature of Windows 8 such as Windows Media Player, desktop themes, photo management. So these are the features that will be enabled post the installation and restarting of this machine. Desktop experience does not enable any of the Windows 8 features. You must manually enable them. So let's find out what will be the changes after adding this feature. So click on next. Take care, restart the Destiny server automatically and click on install. So the feature that we are going to install are not available in the default installation of Windows Server, as you can check here. Wait for the installation. So it will also restart the server post installation. So be patient. It will take some time. Be patient. So now our server is getting restarted and the feature are being installed. Now just wait for the server to start. This feature can also be desktop experience can also be added to Windows Server 2008, 16, 19, 22. I have tried previously in 2008 and now I am trying in 2012. So let's see. You have to wait some time depending on your hardware and the RAM you have given to your virtual machine or physical machine. It will restart twice before you get your hands on your server. Desktop experience feature. Be patient. Now finally we are going to see the changes. Type your password that you have given. Server manager will get open, and it will also open the post installation wizard. That will show you the installation is completed or not. See here. The installation has been succeeded. Now let's find the changes. So here we can see 8 new apps have been installed. This is the unique feature. Now beginning with Windows 8. So PC setting is the new changes. Disk cleanup is the new change that is not available with the installation of Windows Server. Default installation. Snipping tool, character map, math panel, sound recorder, default programs, window media player. So let's see, this is the main setting, PC settings. So this is the new setting. You can manage your device just like in Windows 8. Mouse and touchpad typing, power and sleep, autoplay, disk, PC info. So this is 12th generation i5, 64-bit operating system, data center version Windows activated. So this auto hides the taskbar, so you have to close like this. So this was a practical I want to show you. Thanks for watching.